Hello beautiful people, do you have a dull skin? Do you have an even tone skin? Do you need a product to glow your skin, to brighten your skin for you? You need a product that can help you achieve a brightening skin tone, or you need a skincare product that is formulated with healthy ingredients to use on your skin. In this video, I'm coming to share my honest review on one of the best selling products from Lartini skincare. This product is formulated for all skin type. Okay, even a dark skin can use it to achieve a caramel skin tone, and a caramel skin tone can also use it to achieve a lighter skin tone. Okay, and also a fairer skin tone can also use it to maintain the skin. This product I'm coming to talk about is a set on its own, and it comes with a lotion, it comes with a bathing soap, it comes with a face cream, it comes with a facial soap, it comes with a face cleanser, it comes with a body oil as well. And this set is very good. It's one of the best selling products from Lartini skincare I can recommend for everybody. This set is called Harmony Halfcast Set from Lartini skincare. A lot of people have used this product and they have sent me good reviews. Okay, when I mean good reviews, they have used it consistently and they have seen the result themselves. This product is for everybody. Okay, so if you have a dull skin and maybe you need a very good product to use on your skin, you can grab this Harmony half cut sets and use on the skin. And this is how the soap is. The soap is formulated with healthy ingredients. It's formulated with lightening soaps. Okay, it smells so nice. Okay, the soap works on dull skin, it brightens the skin, it glows the skin, and it's lightening the skin as well. And I have the lotion in my hand, the Harmony half cast lotion. It's made with healthy ingredients. It's not a bleaching lotion, it's a very mild lotion for glowing the skin and for also brightening the skin as well. And we have the body scrub, which the body scrub is formulated with avocado and also is very good for removing dead skin cell on the skin, and it's also good for removing dirt on the skin. If you have issue with dry skin, you can use the body scrub to make the skin very smooth and to make the skin very soft for you. Okay, then we have the cleanser, which clears sunburn on the face, which lightens the face and which makes the face very smooth. Okay, and this cleanser also removes dirt on the face. We have the facial soap. This is jam, and I know a lot of you have come across jam before. Jam is from Thailand. Okay, personally I love using the carrot or the pawpaw because it removes dirt on the face. It makes the face very smooth, it makes the face very soft, and it glows the face as well. And I have the Harmony face cream. This is the best face cream I can recommend for people with dull face who wants to brighten their face. This is how the face cream is. It smells so nice, and this face cream, it's supposed to be used in the night, only at night. It brightens the face, it lightens the face, it clears dark under eye circle, it clears sunburn on the face, it clears reddish on the face, it makes the face very smooth, it makes the face very soft, and it clears dark spots on the face as well. It's recommended for all skin type. All skin type, everybody can use it to clear facial problems on the face. All right, then we have the Harmony half cast oil. This oil can be mixed with the lotion and used on the skin after bathing. All right, it clears stretch marks on the skin, it clears white dots on the skin, it glows the skin, it brightens the skin, it lightens the skin, it nourishes the skin, and it makes the skin very soft for you. Now let me show you how you are going to use this whole set to brighten your skin or to lighten your skin. You know, body scrub, it's supposed to be used twice in a week, so make sure in every week you use the body scrub on your skin. Wait for 15 minutes, allow the scrub to be dried on your skin, then after that you wash it off or rinse it off on the skin. After that, you use the Harmony Halfcast soap to bath. This soap, it lathers a lot. It removes white dot on the skin. It exfoliates the skin because it involves a bit of scrub inside. So if you are the type who don't like using body scrub, you can grab the Harmony Halfcast soap and use on your skin. Okay, you use it to bath morning and evening. In the bathhouse, please let me come to the cleanser. This is the cleanser. You use the cleanser only at night. You use it on a cotton to clean the face very well and wait for 1 minute. After that 1 minute, just wash it off. Okay, then you use the facial soap on a face towel and use it to wash the face. After bathing and everything, you use the face cream, which is the Harmony Halfcast face cream, on your face. Okay, and you mix the oil with the lotion. The lotion, you get a container. Pour half of the lotion inside and pour half of the oil inside. It depends on how you want the oil to be in the cream. If you have a dry skin, make sure the oil is enough in the cream. Mix it very well and apply it on the skin. So if you have a dull skin like this lady, it will glow the skin for you. And you have uneven toned skin like this lady, it will brighten the skin for you. If you have white dots on the skin like this, it will clear it for you. Or you want to lighten your skin like this lady, this Harmony Halfcast set can help you lighten the skin as well. It's very affordable. You can check on our Instagram page to see reviews over there. People are loving it. People are glowing with this product, and it's one of the mild, healthiest Halfcast set you can come across from Lartini skincare. We ship to all nationwide. Distance is not a problem. I will post the price in the description so that you can get in touch if you are interested. Okay, you can try it and send me your review. But then, if you have ever used it before, you can share your testimony or your review under the video with me. Beautiful people, my name is Lartini. Thank you for watching. Please do what to subscribe. Turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video, you will be the first person to receive a notification from me. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you. Bye bye.